Automatic weighing and filling line for pickled olive leaves. Automatic pickled olive leaves weighing filling machine. Designed for accurate weighing of pickled vegetable products. Stable feeding and precise weight control. Ideal for olive leaves and similar pickled foods. Shackweigher with Rejector for quality control. Automatic rejection of underweight and overweight products. Magnetic pump liquid filling machine for liquid filling. We are a packaging machinery manufacturer. Subscribe for more solutions.